Hey, what's up? This is a 2014 Nissan Frontier SV. I've replaced my struts, upper and lower control arms, end links, everything. Tightened the radiator bracket. Still have this noise. I've replaced the hardware on this cross member, steel bumper. No matter how tight it gets, using lock washers, whatever. All the welds look fine. I think it's just something defective. I can't find a crack in any weld here all through this housing. So if you too are struggling to find where your Frontier's clunk is coming from, you know, this radiator support has been a culprit. Replaced these front body mounts already too. Those are not loose. It's clearly this. I mean, 2 fingers, 3 fingers. So check that. I don't have a solution yet. Okay, new cross member is installed. Again, no matter what I did tightening wise, that click, that knock would just never go away. So super solid. There's no torque setting that I could find on these, so I did 100 foot-pounds. And obviously I'll have to go do a test drive, but yeah. Super happy I figured out where that annoying knock was coming from. Everything else has been replaced. But y'all look.